Financial education after 50. Why no one prepare us financially after 50? Nobody warned us. Nobody sat us down and said that after 50 money works differently. We were taught how to earn. We were taught how to work hard. No one taught us how to adapt. After 50, adaptation becomes survival. Most people believe financial stress after 50 comes from bad decisions, spending too much, saving too little, or not planning early enough. That is what we are told, but the truth is deeper. Financial pressure at this stage of life often comes from transition, not carelessness. Life changes, energy changes, health changes, opportunities change. Our financial strategies often stay the same. We try to operate with a 35-year-old financial mindset in a 55-year-old reality. That is the real problem. Here is the educational shift. Before 50, the focus is growth. After 50, the focus must shift to stability. When we are younger, we can take risks. We have time to recover from mistakes. Income can grow. Opportunities feel abundant. After 50, time becomes more valuable. Recovery from financial mistakes becomes harder. Income may slow down. Health expenses may increase. The goal is no longer aggressive growth. The goal becomes protection and clarity. Let me teach you a simple financial stability formula. Essential monthly expenses divided by reliable monthly income equals your financial risk level. Essential expenses are not luxury spending. They include housing, utilities, food, insurance, basic transportation, and health care. Reliable income means income that continues whether you work or not. Social security, pensions, rental income, dividends, or consistent business income. If your reliable income is lower than your essentials expenses, there is an income gap. That gap is the real source of financial stress after 50. What should you do? Step 1. Know your survival number. Write down your exact essential monthly expenses. Do not estimate. Be precise. Clarity reduces fear. Step 2. Separate active income from passive income. Ask yourself, if I stop working tomorrow, what income continues? If the answer is little or none, then building reliable income streams becomes your priority. Step 3. Build a stability buffer. After 50, aim to have 6 to 12 months of essentials expenses saved. This is not about luxury, it is about breathing room. Recovery time after 50 is slower, so your financial cushion must be stronger. Financial freedom after 50 is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about reducing risk. It is about protecting what you have built. It is about sleeping peacefully at night. You are not late, you are not behind. You were simply not taught the transition from growth to stability. Now you understand it. This week, take action. Write down your essentials, expenses. Write down your reliable income. Calculate your gap. That gap is your starting point. Closing that gap is the foundation of financial freedom after 50. If this message helps you see money differently at this stage of life, continue learning, continue adapting, and continue building stability, because after 50, preparation is not optional. See you in next episode.